It's Better Toledo, and I'm Fox Toledo Chief Meteorologist Doug Moats. Over the next several minutes, we are going to introduce you to spring severe weather. We'll have information on how it develops and the devastating damage it can cause. We're also going to have some life-saving tips that will ensure you and your family stay safe in the event of severe weather. Now, to get things started, I want to introduce you to weathercaster Bruce Slusher. He's going to talk to you about the deadliest of severe weather, the tornado.
Tornadoes are the fiercest atmospheric windstorms on Earth. They're formed by violently rotating, highly destructive masses of air. The most violent tornadoes are capable of tremendous destruction with wind speeds of 250 miles per hour or more. Damage paths can be in excess of a mile wide and 50 miles long. A tornado begins in a severe thunderstorm called a supercell. A supercell can last longer, by the way, than a regular thunderstorm. The same property that keeps the storm going also produces most tornadoes. The wind coming into the storm starts to swirl and forms a funnel. The air in the funnel spins faster and faster and creates a very low pressure area which sucks more air and possibly objects into it.
So now you know how destructive and devastating a tornado can be. Let's talk about the ways that you can stay safe if a tornado is heading in your direction. Actually, the best place to stay safe is the lowest level, whether it's in your basement or the main floor. Take shelter in the lowest level of the building that you are in. Go to the smallest room and be sure to stay away from windows. They are the first things to break, and flying glass can be deadly. Another tip is to take shelter in a ditch. If you are outside, make sure you leave your vehicle and take shelter in a ditch or ravine, but never try to outrun a tornado. Make sure you stay away from power lines. They can be deadly as well. And if there is lightning, make sure you stay away from tall objects. That's where lightning will hit first. Unfortunately, there are some dangerous myths out there that you should be aware of.
Well, that's right, Doug. A dangerous myth is that highway overpasses are a safe place for motorists to take shelter. Even though bridges are strong structures, you put yourself at greater risk for harm in a storm. Bridges are particularly dangerous because the winds will actually accelerate under an overpass.
Another myth is that opening your windows will equalize the pressure in your home and keep it from exploding when a tornado strikes. Studies have shown that the majority of damage from tornadoes is a result of the 100 to 300 plus mile per hour winds and not the pressure difference.
The idea that tornadoes never strike big cities is another myth that has been proven wrong in the past several years. A few recent examples, big cities being hit by tornadoes are like Miami on May 13th of 1997, Oklahoma City May 3rd of 1999, and also May 26th, 2001.
Many people believe that the safest place of a house to be in during a tornado is the southwest corner. This is also a myth. The south and west walls take the brunt of the storm force, which means these walls are frequently penetrated by debris and are also more likely to fall inward than others.
Finally, let's discuss the warnings and watches that are associated with spring severe weather. The first being the Severe Thunderstorm Watch or the Tornado Watch. This basically means conditions are favorable for the formation of a severe thunderstorm and or a tornado. Then there is a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning. Now this means that a severe thunderstorm or tornado has either been observed by a trained weather spotter or detected by Doppler radar. This means take shelter immediately. It has been a pleasure providing you with these severe weather tips and hopefully to keep you and your family safe. For weathercaster Bruce Slusher and Larry Watley, I'm Doug Moats. Stay safe.